how to select the audio device for separate app sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. From here, we then scroll down and tap on separate app sound. Next, go down and tap on audio device. In here, it will show a list of all the connected audio device. In here, you can choose phone, Bluetooth device, or any other devices that you have added to the Bluetooth settings. And that's it. So make your selection and then tap on the back key. So I can choose phone and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.